Oh my arm! Yeah. I'm gonna be testing out a new product. Hey guys, and welcome to my bathroom! I'm doing something a little different. I just wanted to like try it out. I don't know if the lighting will be better or not. Like I'm in my bathroom. Hold on one second. Like, oh my gosh, Stephanie. We'll get right into the video. I don't even care anymore, like, okay? Alright, my hair is freshly shampooed and conditioned. I used Bedhead Resurrection, like the red one, by TG. And I'm gonna try this product here for you guys. This is Joico's K-pak Color Therapy Luster Lock Multi-Perfector Daily Leave-In product. So it's kind of like It's a 10 is what we'll compare it to, like It's a 10 leave-in product. It's just a spray like leave-in conditioner basically. It has Manketti oil. Not sure what that's from, but it's got that oil it says in it, and it looks like it has like 4 different hydrolyzed keratins or some crap like that. I'm not even sure, to be honest, like, but that seems like a lot of like keratin to be putting in your hair. But I've heard with Joico that like anything that does have like gold has a lot or like the most keratin in the product, but not to worry, because some people do say that like keratin can build up on the hair and then make your hair brittle and then break off. And yes, that can happen, but not with Joico products, because they use real human hair and they break it down into its purest form and extract the keratin out of it, and then they put it in their products. And like, I'm not even kidding. I know it sounds like a crazy thing I just made up, okay? Honestly, that is like 100% true. I've asked 2 different Joico rep and they both said the same thing. So basically, in other words, Joico will deliver the keratin that your hair needs, and then it stops at that point. So you can keep using and using and using it, but like the keratin is not going to build up on your hair and make your hair brittle. So I think that is amazing. I don't understand all that science behind it. The fact that it won't make your hair break off from over keratinizing your hair, I'm like, okay, let me try this, okay? So I'm gonna give this a shot. Right now, my hair, even after shampoo and conditioners sat on it and rinsed, my hair feels like I mean, you know, you got blonde hair and you're watching this, you're like, yeah, it's feeling a little dry, a little crispy. But that, again, in my last video, I had said and mentioned this, your hair is at its weakest point when it's wet. So, I mean, that's why. Let's give this a shot, since my hair is like, it's just ready to go. It's just out there and ready to go. So I'm just gonna give like a couple sprays. Here we go. Like, that's it. I shook it up. You have to shake this really well so that it looks this milky color. Otherwise, as you let it sit, this white part like separates from whatever's in there. So then it's like half of it's white and half of it's clear. That's what it looks like when you first buy it. You just have to shake it really well before each use. The directions, they say exactly like what I just did. Spray on damp hair and comb through and blow dry. I'm actually not gonna blow dry my hair just because I will comb it through. Wow, rinse this off. You know what I'm saying? Like, this looks a little gross. Yeah. Wow. Wow. My hair is so soft. I don't think I'm gonna blow dry this. Mainly because I want to let my hair air dry. What do you guys think? What do you think? So I like the product already. Like, I can feel a difference. I can run my hand through my hair, like, easily. I feel a difference already. That's a really good thing. I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry in my hair, and I will come back to you guys and let you know like how I feel about the product. Alright? So I'll be back once my hair is dry. Alright guys, I'm back and I feel better. My hair is probably like 90% dry, like there's a little bit dampness in there, but like, okay. So far, I'm not really sure guys, honestly. My hair, it feels a little on the dry side. And I'm not sure if it's like, maybe the shampoo and conditioner I had used kind of dried it out, or if it is the Joico product. I don't know, it's hard to tell. Maybe my hair is not fully dry, maybe that's why it feels a little weird, but because like right here, it feels very soft, very, very soft. I can run my hand through it very easily. I like the way that feels. When I get towards the ends here in the front, I'm just not sure. Maybe my hair is just beyond damaged, beyond me. I think I'm gonna have to give this product a 4 out of 5, just based on what I'm feeling right now, like with my hand. And again, maybe my hair is not fully dry, so maybe that's why, but I'm not really sure. I'm gonna have to give this product a 4 out of 5. Well, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for me. Also, don't forget to go down and hit that subscribe button. You're already here, you might as well just do it, you know what I'm saying? Like, why not? Oh, don't forget to hit that notification bell. It's right next to the subscribe button. Like, why I gotta tell you guys this? You should already know. You should already know. Yes. Oh my arm! Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.